and Poblacion Alto, where majority of the commercial and other business establishments are located. Angat na sa Osmeña, angat pa Osmeña.
Thank you so much, Ma'am Janine Hechanova, for the historical background of our municipality, the municipality of Sergio Osmeña. At this point of time, ladies and gentlemen, we are very grateful because of her presence. So to give a message, please give it up for the board member of the first, Angel J. Cardon. A resonating applause, please.